Hey guys, today I'll be showing you how to cook lamb mandi. This simple Middle Eastern dish requires few ingredients like lamb, rice, some spices, and ghee. Alright guys, let's get started. We'll need some lamb shoulders. You can use shanks if you want. Couple of sliced onions, ghee, warm water, sun-dried lemons, couple of cinnamon sticks, cloves, cardamom pods, a little bit of turmeric, and peppercorns, a little bit of saffron, which we will be using for the lamb marination, basmati rice, which we pre-soaked for 15 minutes. Now we'll take our sliced onions, put a pot on medium heat with 6 to 7 tablespoons of oil. We'll melt our ghee in the oil. Now we'll put the sliced onions, cook it for 2 to 3 minutes, then put our sun-dried lemons, cinnamon sticks, cardamom, cloves, peppercorns. We'll let that cook. Till then, we'll make our lamb marination. We'll put all the meat in a bowl. We'll take the turmeric and put it in the hot water, some saffron in the hot water so it releases the color and makes the lamb nice and golden. We'll mix it up. Check out the recipe in the video's description if you have any doubts. Pour the mixture in and use your hand and mix it well. Some salt. Rub the salt in the meat. It's better if you grab the bowl with one hand. So we'll keep this aside and check on our onions, which are nicely done. We'll put in our pre-soaked basmati rice. We'll mix the rice with those beautiful onions, sun-dried lemons, cardamom, cinnamon, cloves, so the rice could infuse with their flavor. Yeah, let's switch it off. Take it off. So back to our meat. I'll just lay the meat out on the chopping board. Put this aside. We'll just poke some holes in the meat so it gets nice and tender and cooks all the way through. Do it on both the sides. We'll grab our roasting tray and line it with some foil. We'll put the rice in the tray. We need to put some water, or if you want you can put some stock in. We'll grab the same pot and put a little bit of water in it because it still has some flavors left in it and we don't want to waste that. Put the water in the rice. You need to have the water an inch above the rice. Yep, that's perfect. We'll take the lamb and place it on top of the rack. If you don't have a rack like this, just use a piece of foil and poke some hole on the bottom. You need to do this because you see all the fat? Yeah, That's gonna melt and go into the rice and give the rice a beautiful flavor. We need to steam this, so we'll put some foil on the top. Here's a small trick. Take some water, put it in between, and the foil is sealed, which will help the steam to stay inside. Guys, we are almost there. We just need to put this tray in the oven for 3 hours at 200 degrees Celsius. So I'll see you guys after 3 hours. We are back. Let's take it out of the oven and see how it looks. Guys, just look at it. It looks so beautiful. It smells amazing. I am really hungry, so let's plate it up. Chop up some coriander leaves, put it on top of the rice. And I have already fried some cashews and almonds in ghee to put it on top. Here we go. Here you are, guys. Lamb Mandi. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Until next time.